Today we're back with another Subway Surfers. Now, I don't know if I've gotten better because I haven't played it in a while, but I think I have because, well, I haven't played it on YouTube, but I played it quite a lot, like on the weekends, so I've kind of got better. I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh yeah, and last episode, I forgot to tell you, I got this new character called Lucy, and yeah, basically, that's it. So sometimes, you can't collect all of the coins, but, because, the game guys just want to make it even harder for you to collect points, or if you just find a ton of magnets, which I highly doubt, because there's not that many actually in the game, and yeah, and it's just so ridiculously hard to get everything. Oh yeah, so if you jump, and so basically, if you jump, you swipe that down. You swipe down while you're in the air. Yeah. So then that'll make you go down faster, like that. Like this. You just go down faster. Instead of this, you go that. You see what I mean? It's kind of a hack, but it's not really. I learned this ever since I got the game, which was quite a while ago. Oh, damn it. Well, sometimes the game glitches out, and when you do that, when you swipe up, it swipes down for you. It's just weird. So yeah, as I said in the last video today, the last video up today, I mean, I am going to make a lot more content. I am going to make a lot more content tomorrow, because I was off, obviously. So I will be back with some more, but yeah. So basically, in a couple weeks' time, I am going to get a tripod, so then I can put my camera on the tripod and film my TV. So then I will be having FIFA gameplay and whatnot, like stuff on the Xbox, like maybe Minecraft. I might have a Let's Play, you never know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I get it in a week, I will obviously make a vlog with it, and I'll tell you guys. And then I'll make as soon as I get it, I'll make a video on FIFA 17, which I do have. And yeah, FIFA 17. I haven't played it in that long because it's really annoying, like, you know, when you get like contracts or people getting injured, yeah, you have to get a contract when you don't have one, and it's just annoying. And then after that, I just don't play it because it's just I don't want to like mess around with my team and just make it the worst, and it's just all out of order. And it's so yeah, I just unlocked a new achievement. I got the power. I swear that's a song, right? Yeah. It used to be in an advert, that song. I think for the Aero advert. The Aero bubbles. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was in the advert. Like, my goal in this game was to get 30,000. I'm at 23,000 score. I'm alright at this game. Yes, jetpack. It's really hard to get all the coins on the jetpack because the jetpack goes quite fast. But my brother, he can get it easily, like bam. He's just so good at this game. He's well better than me. Wow. This is going out of order. This is going too fast. I don't know why, but it's just this. Damn, my battery's dead, basically. I might have to end the video after this go. Yeah, I will end the video after this go because I need to charge my phone. So yeah, I'm sorry if this is a short video, but it's gonna have to be because I don't want it just to power off and then I can't upload this video because I really want to upload a video today. Well, another video. So yeah. Hold on, what's the... Damn it. Oh, I've got 4%. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here, but I just want to check something on the characters. We are going for next episode to see if we can get this robot. Or Tagbot, if you want to say his name. So basically, he is like one of my favorite characters. So yeah. So yeah.